Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Confidence intervals for regression slopes reveal hidden relationships quickly, so let us break down this problem in 3 simple steps to find the correct answer today. The confidence interval for the slope is negative, ranging from negative 0.0525 to negative 0.0124. This interval does not contain 0. Since the interval does not contain 0, we have convincing statistical evidence that the slope is not 0. This confirms a linear relationship exists between technology use and sales now. Because the entire interval is negative, we conclude there is a statistically significant decrease in unit sales for each additional minute of technology use. Option E matches this result perfectly. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore 0 or misread slope. Always check the interval and verify the sign instead.